Hey everyone and welcome back to the channel. So, imagine this, a creature that can swallow a meal bigger than itself, then just chill for over a year without eating. We're talking about pythons, and it turns out they might hold the key to cracking the obesity epidemic. This is absolutely wild, and personally, I think it's one of those moments where nature just blows our minds. Scientists have been looking at these incredible snakes, and they've zeroed in on a specific molecule that spikes in their blood after a massive feast. What's fascinating is that when they gave this molecule called pTOS to obese mice, the mice stopped eating and shed weight like crazy. This isn't just some minor tweak. We're talking about a potential game changer. And what makes this really interesting is how it compares to existing obesity drugs like Wegovy. Now, I know what you're thinking. We're not snakes. And you're right. But that's precisely the point. Dr. Jonathan Long, one of the researchers, highlighted this perfectly. The idea isn't to become reptilian, but to understand the extreme metabolic pathways these animals have evolved. Think about it. Pythons can increase their metabolism by a staggering 4,000-fold after a meal, and their hearts actually expand by 25% to handle it. That's an evolutionary feat that's hard to even comprehend, let alone replicate. What's even more intriguing is how pTOS seems to work. Unlike drugs like Wegovy, which often work by slowing down digestion and making you feel full, pTOS appears to target the brain directly, specifically the hypothalamus, which is the appetite control center. From my perspective, this is a huge deal. It suggests a potentially cleaner way to manage appetite, possibly avoiding some of the nasty side effects like nausea and constipation that come with current GLP-1 medications. Professor Leslie Lanewand, who's studied pythons for 2 decades, pointed out that this is essentially a natural appetite suppressant that worked wonders in mice without those drawbacks. And here's a detail I find absolutely fascinating. pTOS is actually present in low levels in human urine. This is a massive clue, right? It implies that our bodies might already have a connection to this appetite-regulating mechanism, and we just haven't figured out how to harness it. The researchers are optimistic that because it's naturally occurring in humans, it could be a much safer bet for clinical application down the line. It really makes you wonder what other secrets are hidden in the animal kingdom, waiting for us to discover them. Of course, we're still a long way from seeing a python-inspired obesity drug on the market. Further research is definitely needed. But if you take a step back and think about it, this discovery opens up a whole new avenue for tackling a global health crisis. It's a testament to the power of observing nature and understanding that even the most seemingly alien creatures can offer profound insights into our own biology. What do you guys think about this? Let me know in the comments below.